guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
The day they cry, say she's from Mission. Now say you're not from Mission now.
Well, if she be, person go tell me say like I not be Bilago they cry.
Okay.
Because she not be Ishan.
Okay.
Okay. Because she not be Ishan.
Okay.
Because she not be Ishan. Let me try to cry. She go explain tire.
This I call. She go explain no evidence.
No evidence.
We never start. Cough don't enter my throat.
No, she go explain tire.
No evidence. May you go bring evidence. Abi.
Let go bring her.
That's it. My papa will bring home.
Exactly. Let you go bring it home. When I travel, I said I don't miss lovely. Oh, on my topic, I don't miss my topic.
I miss you too. Oh. The day when they do live video now, they call you. I say, hey, I call you. You don't see my missed call.
I said they come out. I leave my phone because of all those social welfare. I don't carry my phone. I just leave my phone for us because I don't want to make the call. They call me.
Yeah.
I leave my phone. You know. I said, I see your missed call. I said, okay. I said,
always Sakbo.
Always Sakbo. This what you would do? Which name we won't give her?
The days like one person give her name yesterday, auntie. The day na witch.
I bad woman. Put her like that. I bad. I bad woman. No. I bad a day like Sarasaga.
She papa. That's why she dey cry.
Olokumi yoyo.
Olokumi yoyo.
No, the name we will give her now. Olokumi yoyo. Olokumi yoyo. That name too sweet.
Olokumi yoyo. As sister call her talk.
He go explain that. He no go see every day. He no go see after. He go continue to explain.
He go tire.
He go tire.
Make he go bring evidence. If not,
evidence don't be.
Okay, now because evidence not there, now they explain.
Let me come to explain. He go explain. She go tire.
She go tire.
May going back and go bring evidence.
Thank you, my darling. May you go bring the papa picture call for a blanket.
Because for a walking me, she not go see evidence.
No evidence.
For inshallah, she not go see evidence.
For where?
Make it going back. If you going back and go see evidence.
You go see if papa picture there for us when they for drive them.
Exactly. Make it go bring her. Not be the one way they explain. Who will they explain to?
I don't know. I will come to explain my own now. My own evidence there. If you go on Jollof Vet platform, evidence go on Jollof Vet platform.
Evidence they say, Naisha, you for call. You be a motor. You be a motor. We want to know whether she be real or motor.
Now that one we can talk.
No be go dey explain. You go explain tire.
He go tire. Make it go bring evidence. If not, he go explain tire. No evidence. One woman when he call me today, he said, "Make I tell you, say there is no need when you take and use your mouth talk am. Make you go bring evidence.
Make go bring evidence. We won't see evidence. Come be call the explain. You go explain.
Everybody for social media, oh, my pale house come out.
Yes,
Italiania oh come out. Lolo oh come out. Monica oh come out.
Even without they don't even bring that your papa ask. Your papa and you, they don't go even ask say now you born lovely. Only that evidence alone is okay. Make you see bring picture. Make you bring picture, make we see.
When you tell his boy papa, if they see him, I will eat opera.
Opera your talk. Who will peru where you talk? Make it video. Make we see. You say not get evidence. Then they can explain.
He go explain Taya.
He go explain.
Now that one that they call us say Esperanto. Esperanto.
we don't give our work now. They go bring picture.
They go bring picture. Many people there for social media, their papa and their mama, they carry their picture come. They carry their house come. No call it count the commenter. Many. The other day, I say commenter, many live video presenter. Their pale house, their mama house, their social media. They all know they. Yeah, go bring your pale come.
No, you don't bring them.
They talk.
Man, bring them what we see. Want me to call the wrong match for Facebook?
Now because that they talk.
Like the dark better.
Esther, when she they do saga for, did they when they pay Esther bride price? When they forgo pay Esther bride price, don't be papa couple.
Like papa has exactly. No. That woman not a shame. She did do saga for Esther. Esther don't do after 5 children, be 4 children. She don't, at the end of the day, na ma as 9 days. You don't experience Esther don't experience husband as 2 times or 3 times. If they experience her again now, how many the dark better? How many the dark better don't experience?
For where? That woman now 50 something years. 50 something years now.
The dog Betty. How many don't experience when the saga Esther?
Ask me, she never married before. How she take that experience of marriage?
She never married before. If the saga person who don't marry 3 times or 4 times. The saga.
He will never married before. He not see marry.
That woman, she don't get sense. I be never see person go. Maybe they wait me they go tear that her head, make the pussy inside.
He not go school now. Now primary four this thing. Delinquent now he be.
As me a day now, I don't experience husbands for 20 years. So nothing anybody go tell me.
About marriage. Oh, he may don't remarry again. He no say marry before. Don't say he remarry. Una belle is say carry. How your man don't marry?
You never know what to be husband. You never smell her.
He never smell her. I say, Sister Kola, I say he never wake up. He never, Sister Kola, I say he never sleep with ma. Say, now the ma prick go wake her up in the morning. The prick will go raise for his back. No, you know, definitely they say, now me be akutu kutu, akata kutu, akutu kutu, akata kutu. Agada gudu of his banker. No pishan, agada gudu of his banker. Na me best sister.
Any gudu. Oh, good, you one official. I said, see this old woman with the full herself. She's supposed to want she right for a back and they do a both for there.
I've been supposed to do someone can they trace. It's a pity. He never even go boyfriend house. Because my primary school never forgive her belly. He never go boyfriend house. Say some people say that they stay with ma for house. He never go boyfriend house. Talk like say husband. Now she call the talk for husband and shit.
We dey talk to person we don't marry for 4 times. We don't experience 4 times marriage.
I bet he don't already there here for say make una go invite and come. He don't already there here. I Carol, they listing. They listing. Another one, the person when she dey say message to, That one carry 3 of his children enter United Kingdom.
You see her? You, the only one where you get, he gone for Nigeria.
Hey!
He gone.
God
this. He got this. Not be God. God this.
God this. He gog. Over God they worry the girl.
Eh?
If you see the chair,
they carry up picking with husband. He go carry them. You know, if all the years we don't spend, if by your picking and the husband, now be the only the achievement where you feel achieve, if for better.
Thank you. Now wait I tell her. If this woman buy now, nothing where Priscilla go reach for his hand.
You don't build that. You don't buy land. Okay. You don't buy car. You don't buy anything. You don't still do anything for them. Say now only don't be the achievement. Say my pikin and the husband. That be the only achievement. If for good.
If they say I got passport. I got passport. Your passport, nothing.
Passport na achievement. Passport without money, you not get anything, you not get value. You
don't see London now. London now so be like Lakbaduza. To enter United Kingdom now be like Lakbaduza.
Yes, now see the way people
they enter.
Maybe this are even easy self.
That's why you comment yesterday, eh? Today you go don't enter UK. I don't know why.
As they come, they go back. As they come like Sansan.
Hey!
But the money where you say you get, you know they sleep. If they go work money tonight, you talk to a workaholic. Workaholic. Where you talk to?
If you want finish money when you go gather, make take carry his daughter come. You go use some go do native doctor. The rest you go they share am for small children. You go say make they go they comment. When they call the some person for comment session.
For comment session. You see? If someone go do better thing, at the end of the day, like you go still call Facebook, call the fool yourself.
You know what see, eh? If they follow person, they waka, you don't know what he go achieve for with that person. Nothing. You all follow person waka now, problem.
Now see, at the end of the day, now fight, you go fight those people.
Okay.
Now fight.
See her daughter age mate now when she dey clap hand follow. Last year, now that one carry brother. He welcome brother from UK.
Okay. You no, you know they. Now you go call Facebook or they do something back home. Who be small pity when you want to say do something back home.
The second live video presenter tell her that time say if they say do something back home, make it do something back home, make go carry her daughter come. Make it first start for her daughter body. Now so Lolo tell her that time. Lolo say make it first start for her daughter body. Do something back home.
Do something back home. You know, the one where you get, you not bring her for example. Make you show example. Make you support her say, see the reason why I say make they do something back home. See the 4th flat or 8th flat when I get, or see the mansion when I build.
You don't get anything.
You don't have to consider there. Do something back home. Cement is 4,000.
You don't even know how much the bag of cement. Cement na 4,000. But this time cement na 4,000. Hey,
4,000. Sam's 2,000. Block 50 cents. This one,
she want cook a goosey soup.
I just look and say, who be idiot? Best way make money. You don't know what you want to take your money to do. Now you want to consider the 10 person do something back. Anybody will make money. They know what they want to take their money.
Money do.
Not because they sit down for them, because they take the glory. Say, if not you, if not be me, wait, say me they do something back home. Therefore, not they do something back home.
Ask how many people don't do something back home. Make can show one. When he don't motivate, he dey.
No man, do something. Now you want a person like you, now you want to tell me say do something back home.
The time when Odolovet new enter do something back home that time, she can't go there. She can't go there. Comment put. As Odolovet, if Odolovet come to quarrel, Grace can't bring Odolovet house come out. Before you know, you can't say Odolovet where you see money they do something back home.
Money? Oh, you know, the house person because that one not they camouflage the way she they camouflage say she they go work. You know, say she in the morning now, he go carry, I they go work, I they go work. He go there inside bus, I they go work. Nobody know whether I work, they go. He go there inside bus.
That was say go the waka, bulu kere, makere, dokoro, makere, dokoro. He now so he come they waka. He waste don't break finish the money. They no see am.
Because of the lebet not come out, tell people say they go work in the night, and they go work in the morning, and they go work in the afternoon. The way she they carry camera, they face herself and they go work.
They walk like elephant, they chop like ants.
They chop like ants.
The other day when Lolo use come they do saga inside this year, come they say you for bring your house, come in they congratulate you why they put her for saga. They then I wish you don't come out. Lolo, I go buy this saga for your hand. I go buy this saga for your hand. It is say I want to show on the house. He said, you know what he talk? He said, me when not they work, where I see money to buy house, build house.
Evil person. People will not they work. Most people will not they work. Now they even they get money to build that.
If they learn now.
This woman, you know what is they worry this woman? This woman still say now to work like Jackie. Still will get money. Bread, people there will not work with their they use their bread and they make money. Bread, they use their bread. They not they work. But you where they work, you not save past them. Now that one many people don't know. They just look and say, you know they go work. Use your brain, not be only to work like Jackie. Use your brain. Now brain, help us to make money. Brain. This same person will not wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, they run, they go. Now you want to make her.
You go, it is not that one. They congratulate people. If you come, you go carry pada. You go to use until they congratulate. Who you they congratulate people? People when you they congratulate, why you not tell the people make they show you road?
Even though they show a road, mumu. Even though they show a road, you go see Ben. She go see Ben.
Only way she know how to do saga. How to bring this one come? How to they talk to people with better person?
Now, because now like Buffalo the warrior. Buffalo, like the warrior. You know, say many people do with Buffalo the warrior.
You don't see that guy when get belle now. They say they say do live video. You can't they use it directly. They talk to that one. Can't they use it direct way? Because that one still get belle now. They yeah.
Okay.
Big person. Sarah T-Boss.
She not forget. She not forget. If the kid went to Nigeria, it got this.
It gone. You know say when he come they lie, he come they tell people say now they tell Destiny Bagwa say make they carry people they come abroad. Now he tell Destiny Bagwa make he can lie. He say now he tell Destiny Bagwa make bring Gloria. That Ishan girl when they do musician. Now he tell Destiny Bagwa make he bring Eron say. She can lie. Now one person come come yo. He say He say the then we say all the people where they bring on, all the Asian people where they bring on say now they do one. Now that the person say now lie she lie. Now they see the back one now they do one, but not be the then we show.
Let make this woman not ever get respect from anybody. Let me can.
I have the talk.
She not go ever get respect. See the kind lie. Now you tell Destiny make it go make the bring people come. That one tomorrow they'll say that one. He said
now he tell Destiny make Destiny they bring those Isham guys. Now he tell Destiny make bring them on side. Now he tell Destiny make bring Gloria. Now he tell Destiny make bring that Anyai. Now tell the person say now lie Destiny no they do anything with talk back cow.
Don't a big
lie. Opeka can lie.
Once you don't lie finish, you go to I bet you go to hear Olokomi yo. You will not say she won't start to be lie. Once you don't measure Olokomi yo. You will not say she won't start to be lie.
Now that the person say, if now they tell her, if now they give Destiny money, make they bring people, they come. Why she not carry her daughter come? He said, no, she now the person come they argue. Now say, why they argue with me?
Okay. If they tell Destiny say, make it bring people come. Why you not tell her make it bring your own pikin come?
Okay.
Why you not tell her say, I mean, since now you they give her the direction, now you they give her the instruction. Why you not tell her say, I beg, as now me they tell you make it bring people come. Bring my own pikin come for me.
Okay.
I beg the pikin they forbid the abroad.
The person come they argue. Now say, you know they see this in the background for Facebook. If they carry them, they come.
No. Maybe pikin, maybe don't take the pikin take climb. You will not go. You don't know.
Don't use the pikin take climb now.
Exactly. Now make a the post. You don't take the pikin carry post. Then make the pikin. Now make a not fi carry pikin come. Only God know.
Person when you go Nigeria, you no get house. That day they say she they cry, say me tell her say make she go buy land. Now say whether she don't buy the land. She say she buy land for una community. Now to say we go
I think say nothing like that.
Okay.
There's nothing like what's it be her name?
They then and wish. British of Biker.
British me as I call myself me help me check whether any streets where British of Biker streets. They said there's nothing like that.
Okay.
There's nothing like that.
Okay.
There's nothing like a Biker street. Now I say okay, as myself, any day I go Nigeria, I go confirm myself. Nothing like because I hear you talk about. You say you get land for that our side. I say I said.
I tell her say when she talk, I tell her say make she no worry, we go catch her lie. I know person when he did that area, when he build house for that area. Tomorrow night go say no another area.
We are Bikers, I say another area. If not that's the community where he's saying nothing like that.
Okay.
You not there. I said if I go Nigeria, me, I go call you, I go do live video for that community. If I did, I go call you. I said I did this community.
You should not be ashamed. You know, small children she they follow fight. You ask her where she will test her whether they be age mate.
Because
now Esther with her daughter be the same age mate.
You know say before they said Esther. If they said Esther before. If they said that before, maybe you know say anybody will be say he with this woman. A big man wife get issue. You go put her for her head.
She doesn't carry on her own. That one not send her.
Not the thing she go carry her because you know say that big man wife and Esther the quarter the saga day. Let me can won't buy her. Anything will be say if anybody the saga with that big man wife, you go from there enter.
You remember that time when Esther Feko, when he can't reach Nigeria, when he can't do video, can't the saga people went there, bro, when we can't do live video for your head that time, you remember? When she come out, when she come out, she say, na Monica no fit do one. Na he make her consent you, make you can't do one. Nah. Who consent you now? Make you the insult tester.
Now they tell you now. That woman, that the dog Betty. And the dog Betty, all the trade where she gets, none of them they play with her today.
None of them. All of them, the audio live video presenter, both man or both woman, all of them, they follow them. After live video, they follow them, they talk. If they follow them, they keep saying that they continue to they fight. None of them they talk to her again now.
No, because you know, if I see this woman say two people they quarrel. Or make a call, they say, I beg, this thing don't do. Even though you come live video, I beg, my people, this thing, I beg. Now say so, no, you go just enter on the ground. She go enter inside.
She called the deceiver, said they say, Papa na ewo me. Papa no be ewo me.
He said, Papa na he be a guapiki for
that I said, he said, na pig, na be Papa.
If the palace speaking, in a guapiki.
Oti,
she said without They know they do something for palace.
This woman, she can't lie. Aduro. Come they use and tell they chop Aduro. Una when they watch, make una share this video. Make it go meet am.
Now later, come yes, come up say no even relate to a go at all.
Now Igbanke where pikin when they go for Igbanke when they carry follow body come.
No, like wait, mama, say like Igbanke, wait, come shop Aduro for Ishaland.
Their mama carry the cut up Aduro. John say she too dey lie. John, she can't lie for Africa. She too lie.
Once she don't start to dey lie, you go see that her math.
You go come dey do it done like this.
You just don't say she won't start to delay.
She can't say she be princess. She can't say she be princess for the whole kingdom. My whole kingdom. She can't say she be princess.
I said she talk that time now. Say be a boy. He said be princess. So he said without her, they don't do anything for a boy.
See the way we God take disgrace her. That woman they lie. Oh.
Later. When they call summer for Juju place. Then Nyash come open. Say when they pursue I say go answer your call. That is why her name is called Edede
Zazaga. The day she papa. Person when he come for kingdom, he must respect that kingdom when he for come.
What did they talk?
This woman can never respect herself. You know what? I don't stay with the working people. I don't do things with the working people. Working people, they always communicate with people with body language. It's very hard for a working go loose like this. The way when they don't wish be a working no.
Aduro should come shop for a working.
Come shop Aduro for Ishan. Come the disgrace Ishan. People they say she the disgrace Ishan. She not be Ishan. No, they talk say she the disgrace. She the disgrace and this thing. Igbanke. She don't they cry now. They say she they cry. Say she be a working yo. You not be a working me.
She not be. Make go proof. Make we not say that a working me should be. Make go bring her. It did not Betty. It did Zagazaga. It did tea. You know whoever see your piker for where. Tea. Now you go. Now they see your piker.
Because when they cause them for their community, you are not suing for Abubakar. Now the cause follow and reach those states.
Tea. Now you see your piker. You know whoever see your piker for where good. Tea. It a piker don't talk to a remoe. Remoe now it's also tea. Now you see a remoe. Tea. It is a gaffer. It is not Betty. It goes scatter like it goes scatter. Anywhere piker it goes scatter.
Naila.
Scatter.
I am come back. Naila. And they talk. Man, don't carry this. My daughter, if you come now, you go to shout for me. They talk and they come.
No, come on.
If you don't come now, that one will go to shake for my head because by this time you're not supposed to. You just pass this thing. I don't know say window still open down. Kala, your community say you pass for them now. Say anywhere you pass, me most of them look you win.
Which kind? You say by land you build as he gets streets or Paika Street.
He lie, Sha. That woman lie. She said she get Paika Street for Ishaland. She get for Benin. She get for Lagos. Now one Benin woman come to say, "Sat down now, we do." Say whether na witchcraft, na forget and for Benin and be weird.
Now witchcraft. Make I tell you, as this woman do rich, as Opaika do rich, if Opaika Chuchu get Opaika street for Lagos, Opaika for those show am.
He not even get for a walking in. He don't get house.
No, I dey tell you,
Yeah.
if Opaika Chuchu, if they don't, if Chuchu get, street where they put Opaika, believe me, she for don't come show am.
She for not dey fool herself for Facebook like this, my sister.
She for come take her do pepe there.
She for not even fool herself like this. She now for session I make her dey disgrace herself. She for not dey ground like this. She for not dey ground like this, eh?
When she forget her Opaika street for Lagos. How many times Mama Lovely, how many times Opaika don't go Nigeria, make it do live video say they Lagos?
He dey Lagos. Once you follow, you go enter Turkey airline. You go come down, sleep for Morocco. You go from Morocco, go at Tisemboko. You know where we at Tisemboko? Na Ghana.
Morocco airline, because Turkish airline, not they go Morocco. Na Maroc. Maroc, they go Morocco.
You go from there. Something go. You enter Turkish airline, no. You get where they go.
Turkish airline, if you come out, now they reach there. There's a Maroc. Maroc, you go reach at 3 days.
Now make if you reach Nigeria, you come make go. You will be like person where they go for farm.
If they find cheap ticket, they find for 300 pounds tickets.
You get one person when come to say, this woman, una say she come for abroad. We say yes. He say, he say be like person where you don't go spend 3 days for inside bush.
You see how this people they go village market.
They even find passage the day na wish show.
Village market, not be the one way find for inside, the one way not find for inside, now they talk. That's how she be.
Women wey be say that they go drive bed for farm of rice. They not they scatter the way when they dey na wish say they scatter.
Opaika go get Opaika street for Lagos. She never come show Facebook say she get
Hey!
Opaika.
That one when they tell spirit, make spirit give her water. Oh when, Samele one, honey, ready, for where? Where the honey day?
You go say, my husband.
He go say, now that you people know how to talk. You know anything when you talk, you go pass like this. You know say the teeth when they here, they shake. The teeth they shake.
This soup, my husband, he dey like this soup well. He dey like this soup well. My husband.
Hey, go say. Hey, which man want carry that one?
I just look and say.
Now tell am say the picture when they take marry, I may bring a traditional marriage. They know they use man say I marry. Bring the picture.
Which kind marry? First way marry no. They know they see her. Which kind marry? I beg.
She married for inside sleep. Inside sleep she for marry.
You know say maybe like inside river she for marry.
No, now when she be. Now Kofu she for marry.
All of them Kofu mommy go turn of them and wish.
No, mommy water no be witch oh. Then witch not the fit fly for river. Wow. You want that? Yeah? He go say, at the Mary, and they say they talk. You go say they say make it bring water. Don't come wait to you know go see water go come get up.
No. You go once it don't cook finish, you go come south. You go say my husband they wait for me. We won't eat.
You know come show how. You know they show where they for the eat oh.
No, but you know they see the husband, you with the husband they eat oh.
Everything we just they do for his house now, shadow, spirit. Okay, now spirit husband he gets.
Na spirit one.
Yeah.
Not be the real husband.
One person say one day, come they say his husband forget a phone. Now tell the person say he get husband when he get phone.
One thing. No, because I say we they talk her for life because say she not get husband. Then she go bring picture come out. Say this.
man. They say since when she come bring the picture, come out the kabu kabu man come wrong. The kabu kabu man don't wrong. The one when she first carry that time, when me with her saga start, that one run leave her. As I carry this man picture come out, we begin to the useless the picture for platform. Like the man, na kabu kabu man.
Let the man buzz.
My sister, why you not ask and say where the car when he buy last 2 years?
The car, that car, they don't tour for the street of London. Okay. They don't tour.
Since then, now when they do birthday, he not buy car again.
One day just carry key. He just go near the car. He said, "This is my car. This is my car. This is that time when I follow her. Now." He said, "This is my car." They show the key. They flop the key. I just say one open to make you drive the car. I said, "You will not sabi drive. You go by car."
That one when no fee waka finish. Now you want drive car.
You don't drive that car. One day he carry key. I say, I couldn't talk. I say,
she know if he drive car because she know they see where. She know if he get driving license.
With that eyeball. Eyeball. With that eyeball.
Before you go driving license, don't say me if I go remove that eyeball.
He must go remove. Even person will not get eyeball. They not they see no talk of person will get eyeball. He carry key because how many of them they do competition that time?
He did all outside that time.
He go carry car. He go carry key.
They say who talk I don't call remember again. They say Lolo tell us say the motor when you buy that time, which time you want to ride down. That's all the try. Lolo don't open your
See that motor, I said they don't tow that motor. They don't tow her.
Na kabu man get the car. Na that kabu man when they carry and I get car. They said the woman say she can't come that time. She can't say see my key. They said the woman say which time she want to ride the car. Why she don't they ride the car? Fake life.
It's not true, man. He don't ride that car one day. Even the day we flaunt the key. He stand. He just a point and say this is the car.
He go driving school.
He not open the car. Say make say she enter inside.
She go know how to enter. Be na boot you go for go enter.
When my car she pull that day, na only God know.
Na kabu. That man when they reach here, the man na kabu man. That man, I be you want me. I will call him now. Person when know the man. Kabu. You know say like Isha man now. If they reach there, say something.
Okay.
If anytime when the man tell her say I'll still come greet you today or just friend, I dey be o. You will quickly go bath. You will consider they say, my husband.
My husband. No, Ates, you go say my husband brother. Hey, you go say my husband brother. Now my husband brother,
she don't forget herself. She will say husband brother.
Many times like that. You go say my husband brother. Now, walk here. You go say my husband brother.
All those ones, that the day when your sister say guys go see day free day, they'll still get free day. No say they'll still go they greet people. Now so that they yeah so.
You go say my husband. You say you to say I see the follow. I forward that video where they talk. You go say my husband brother. I mean, myself, I can't believe I said she should get husband.
Una be believer. He don't get husband, man. The man when they follow him before. Since when that man leave her, he no get. The man say no. Say he don't they do saga since they thought say may stop. You see, in a lovely again. And so the man tell leave her. You don't see the day when Sister Meg they do video. Sister Meg tell her, man. He say he don't care where Ovi Abba don't leave her.
You know say follow that man go airport.
He escort her go airport. It means say my husband, not be husband. Now somebody.
He said my husband they go Nigeria.
Okay, your husband they go Nigeria. My sister, if he reach Nigeria, why she not they go her husband house?
I don't know. If to say when the airport, when the man they go Nigeria, if they do like they say my husband, my sweetheart, is going to Nigeria. Huh? Fake life. And she got the same person they do fake life. That will not be fake life. That will not be fake life. That will not be fake life now. Wait till you know. You say now you be. Eh?
You know that if you reach Nigeria, why be say if you reach Nigeria?
Now you go say that they do fake life. She they do fake life.
Why do fake life, pam? When I come down me at the chop and I put.
Okay. You know? She gonna say person they do fake life.
You
go say fake life.
They said that day they say go, I condemn. Now one person talk say, mama. Her mate, they say real gold. So they say I condemn.
They go buy concert. Many things where you see people they do, next you won't do. If you see anybody where they sell shirt now, before you know it, this woman don't they sell clothes.
And the worst part of it, they were so tough.
No, not the drum. No, not the drum. Once you see the best way they say before you know it, this woman don't they say anything where people, where just say people just they do, it go just run enter.
I don't know why he poor rich like this. He no born plenty children now.
She go just run enter.
She no born plenty children. They'll say now children now she can't they train. She no see rich. Yeah? She no build. Now let this woman say she no born plenty. She no see rich. Yeah?
Now only one picture she get. The picture when you look at her, that a day of bars.
Now 2 times, I did get don't marry 2 times.
You see her?
2 times.
Eh?
Where the girl fell married before they dragged the girl now because of pion.
Hey!
Yeah, the girl fell married before they dragged the girl now. Where the girl for married before? Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, what began the day here?
Hey!
Bon again.
I know. The mama no go talk that one. Person you like mama dey see.
Hey.
You know they talk that one person you like mama dey see. Now because of that they call her the dog bet the day for fire.
The day na winch. The day si papa.
The bet is full everywhere.
See woman when you get talk to you no reach 3 years before you carry children enter abroad. You when don't spend 30 years. You know if you carry one or only one daughter. Yeah?
You don't feel import your husband, your pikin and the husband. You don't feel import they go Canada.
Right.
Or import go UK.
For where?
No.
They say it talk say he go fit carry 10 people come. Now only one me go fit carry come. Now say you carry your they say she no go carry her daughter come.
She went to carry 10 people come. She never even see carry only her pikin.
She said she no carry her pikin come. Why you no carry your pikin come? You get what you know use on me.
They forbid abroad. They forbid in Poland.
Now I make if you reach Nigeria, you know they spend like 3 days for pikin house. So pikin they drive on. Pikin they drive on.
Yes, man. But yes, you need to drive because it won't be better mother. The other day, if pikin no dey latch,
Story.
if grandchildren no dey latch, if grandchildren be like children dey farm or abroad.
If grandchildren when they wear this thing, about made jeans, about made t-shirt.
The children no dey latch. I said forget that one. Even rich man for Nigeria, they run, they come abroad. If anything they happen to them, they run, come abroad. Don't talk of your pikin wey be say they nobody.
Very useless woman.
Your pikin will be nobody.
You know that time when you start video, she want make her come to show my children. She go say her children dress past my children. The day when I carry shoe of 950 euro come out. 950 euro shoe come out. Only one, not be plenty. Now that day she close the mouth. I tell her, say you did na rag. Waiting, my children don't use remain. As rag. If you pack and go give your children go look and say, wow.
They go wear that till eternity.
You can't attack. I see this one. They crazy.
He said, okay, who they put sugar for a mat, make it vomit, you don't ever fear.
So where?
You don't ever fear. If that is picking within Nigeria, if a man can say, if they carry them, they come abroad today, they will be the happiest person in Nigeria. When they tell me, say, your children, when they lack, his children, his grandchildren, when they lack, he picking, they okay. If they send, I said they send
for where? Which children? Which children? Which children?
Not be the children, not be picking.
Small children now, you go ask and say, where do you want to go? You go say, I want to travel abroad. Yo, abroad.
For Nigeria, no, Nigeria, this is the fake keep person to travel.
Yeah. This my head, they pay me.
You the loser.
Oh, if I dey lose my head, you'll be like, say, they told me wrong.
No. Now today I go back my own. Me I dey back low cuts.
Like I'll not barb this hair. I will barb around.
No. If as I day so, the kind fresh hair where they enter my head. Oh.
Maybe I'll barb around this night. It don't already do
I want to agree make my hair long at all. And the barber skin not be even.
You just that one say if you just come out, you just say Esther. Now say she know the shame.
Tomorrow now, if Esther start to the Sagara now, he go call. You know what this woman they do, eh? If Esther come out now, come start to the saga of Paika. Paika go want put some people inside. I can tell you the truth. She go want turn her to Bini addition.
Many people don't know Aputo. If they say Bini ambition, but Bini not the man I did.
Now, you can't turn her to Bini addition.
May they call it banker. May not they call Bini Aisha. May they call it banker.
If you say nothing fight alone, you go want include the German. Now that let me cut on betting, the dog betting. That name, he fit her too much. He fit her. He's betting on betting here. What's it concern Esther? Eh?
They say if you go do video, he say he go tell Esther, say, now I will kill you for come. Esther, she don't come for a walk in, she be banker. Like banker, now she be. She just they use it, she take the chop her duro.
They chop her duro, the refugee, they go there, go chop her duro for there.
You say she go explain tire. No evidence.
Because refugee no go ever be like citizen. Because refugee go explain, go tire. If they don't bet, I bet.
Very useless woman.
All the name what they give up, the name fitter, the name fitter. It fitter. Yesterday, when this attitude they do live video, that one come measure it. You come measure it name. As I laugh, laugh won't kill me.
The time where he go follow attitude that time. That attitude quand they do one video one day, I come say attitude they beg me say, make I let the day now, we may I forgive the day now. Now tell say attitude, the day now we should go come for you. Today now, attitude don't they do.
You know say attitude with the day so they don't they play. Attitude they give out woto. If attitude they do video, if they do video, if they throw 2 days ago, I 3 days ago, they talk. He mentioned, he said like that one will be. He said like that one of Paika where he called the so and so. And laugh won't kill me for a year. Laugh won't kill me. Eh? I said that if this and I they don't bet it.
No, you know waiting here. You know how it reach everywhere. No, say that time when I dey Sagara. She called they gather all live video presenter. They gather there. He go here. He go meet on John Lovett. You go meet Demerita. You go meet all of them. You come to tell them, say, see the way when I did the insult, so they go pay or kwefehi. You know?
You see?
Courage today. I see they were like down without no hot water.
You see? Betty, go carry 2 people head. Go take a knife. Go far.
Very useless woman. She too useless.
He go run 8 hours.
Matter come, people get problem. You don't even know whether not truth. Yeah?
Exactly.
She just carry on. One woman say, you say you don't tire. She just take her personal. Not tell the woman say, make you go right for the comment. Make you tell her say, whether she don't go husband house before.
Exactly. You know, see the time where first German first lady, Modailo, not to say carry on. That German first lady, Modailo, that one don't go husband. You don't experience husband house.
He still there husband house. That one still there with Oyibo. He marry Oyibo now. Still there husband house.
That one don't experience 2 husbands. But you never experience.
He never enter husband house one day. That woman never stay with man reach 6 months for house.
When I just look, I say, see this one, the saga Jama Africa Modelo.
If he without Jama first lady, wait till they call her. If that one mother-in-law with the day now we stand, then not say that the day now which na born that woman.
You go to say like the day like born that woman. That woman took plea for the day now.
The day now which na dustbin now for where that woman dey now. That woman now. See the woman waiting they put for body pure. Only that one you tell no who use her own money pure. As all that woman is. Or you go to your home, or you go to read one, or you read one. And then I wish they see no ziggy.
You go the people with better person.
You go the talk to people with better person. This woman, how many years he don't there for Europe? Now one Hollandis, now she gets. One Hollandis. One. He reached us that day. The tomatoes when she tied, now her mama you know see the way when that tomatoes, all the days tomatoes, all the days.
That white tomatoes.
Now all the days.
All the days tomato Hollandis now.
Now it be that one. Now mama. You know see the Hollandis see na yamogo doho. Be like where they use Russian water to they wash.
You know, they should attack for neck now.
Can you imagine? Because they talk to me. Can they say, lovely, where you pay on now? Lovely, where you pay on now? You they crazy.
Now should attack for neck now. Now should attack for neck.
Now should attack for neck. But see, like you say, for example, now, if you reach Nigeria, not be Hollandis, not be, you take the relax, who ya se boba. Now so.
I go send the pictures when I take for Nigeria. I go send them to you now. May you see.
You go there, you see. If na Asian woman I go house now, if na Benin woman I go house now, the days I get couple, they go tie the Hollandis. Yeah, tie Hollandis. Yeah, painting here.
Even though I not tie Hollandis, not the one I call the tie cloth for neck.
She not say she get. They say she get 150 Hollandis. Why she dey tie rag?
You go the tie for how many years? You go Nigeria go the tie cloth for leg. The money. Even though go Nigeria, they not the tie cloth for leg. How many 30 years for abroad?
Very useless. Very useless.
Which kind of poverty be that one?
If you buy ticket go Nigeria, may go carry pikin come. I don't know who see am. Okay. Three person went from Nigeria, from abroad go Nigeria. See what she wear.
You supposed to look fresh, they fresh. If they tie clothes, they carry a go, they clear grass.
Do something back home.
Do something
My sister, if you reach Nigeria, now you can clear copper by yourself.
I don't even get glass for my copper. How much water I want to
Natik Biliki did not date. Now she dey say she dey build house. All the old computer building way there working. Now she dey build them. They not dey complete them. One woman say, he say, lovely, no we care. I say, Mama, waiting. You want gossip? He say, all the old house where they village. Say, now, can I girl? He say, well, we not complete talk back. Make it complete one. Make you see. For where?
But she dey show people where they are working you. She dey show them. They show their.
Yeah, if you got people copper, you're going to show people copper. Why she not they show her? Oh? She not get.
They carry camera, they go to your computer video where people they build. They say, this one, because I said do something back home, then this one they do. Because I said do something back home. This is my work. This is my hard work of doing something back home. And all those computer video where they show your work of doing something back home. They're not the computer, and the picture of those people.
The woman says she's almost, he don't know her now, 4 years now. When they go to Nigeria, I said the house still remain the same.
Complete.
Is that the way they say do something back home? Or computer building, nice thing there.
I said, imagine. How dear you go to Nigeria, go carry a gwe. Go they put contact cloth for neck. Go carry.
She won't. I don't know what she won't prove. I don't know what she want to prove.
It's a way you go there inside your AC. They do your live video for inside your AC. You carry a gwe. And some people don't finish for me. They don't finish for Nigeria.
Even where she go, they clear grass. Nah, compound.
3,000 naira. You don't clear.
As I'm waiting, she cleared that day now. She want to fool herself, say she did Nigeria. She did do something back home.
The one we confess paper, she can't even tie the cloth for neck. She can't tie the cloth for neck. Imagine who does that?
The cloth in Nani. Oh, tomatoes. Oh,
Even her mama will do that village. She know they tie cloth for neck. You will just spend 30 years for abroad. Visit Nigeria, you tie cloth for neck. Carry a gwe to the clear.
She want now people which local person, locability person, go they live life like that. Which person they motivate? That means that the people where they motivate, that means that they be poor people.
If me I go Nigeria, me I not agree make son touch me. I won't go carry me I cut the big ground. I want the agree make son touch me.
I tell her that they say if they go Nigeria, one person talk and say if you reach Nigeria, you go they drive fly. You know say me I know they watch her. No, they now wish. Now that the person say. Now that the person say.
Because I want to follow on the gate. That time when they go sit down for your mama outside there, they be care for there.
That's what the woman say. He go be care like this. He go do all like this.
He be care. You don't see that. You don't see the environment.
How? You don't see where do something back home. See where she not be fine. She they work for this. So she not get your house. Your man get your house for inside their house. She not get house.
Inside your AC. You they carry all the cloth that they put a cloth for neck. That woman, she's a locality.
Image go wear short knicker, wear t-shirt, they go wear canvas. Very local. I don't even know Nigeria where they go. They know arrange themselves. They don't they run, they go house. Me una try me una be arrange una self. She not even arrange herself. Where that bed when she take they sleep?
So she said she get the bed.
She said not be she get the bed.
No. She said not be. One day when I come across a person share the video. She said not be she get the bed.
Okay, not be she get the bed. You don't see her now. Where you now? Gunoka. Gunoawe.
She said, no, she get the bed.
Yeah.
It's after, if she even get her, whether you know how much, whether you, because like, he said whether you know how much that bed costs. He said whether you know. You know whether you know, when you just show her, say, see the bed when she dey sleep.
My sister, you see mattress. Wait, dead bed. See mattress. See mattress.
No, I just look and say, not be, I just pass out because my parents is share up. It's not what she get the bed. He said, we don't like to get her. Whether you know how much that bed costs.
Oh, but see when they from Europe, they come see bed when she they sleep.
And I said, I said, that bed will not just go and pass.
She denied this bed though. Before the crow. The bed where this woman for sleep till they break. When they break, she deny her.
She not sleep that bed. That bed.
She can't deny her.
She denied that bed.
Go see her bag where they go walk. Go see her. I put for corner for there.
You see her?
Now they say when she reach Nigeria this year, she can't go. They say she can't go show one bed. Now that the person say no, be she get the bed. Now the person got to say, Mama, now wow, you know say anything when you they talk. I say before you go come out, make it show where she for the sleep for the bed. As she tell the sleep for here.
Not be to snap. You can snap.
You can show something.
You go snap her. You feel go where they say bed, you go snap her.
Because I use bed, laughing. As he reach Nigeria, and I be the first thing. That the person say, I be the first thing when she they do, I thought say no argue. Make it they do live video on top of that bed.
No. You know what she go do? Make she show that bed. Make she show the ass where the bed dey.
And make she sleep for the bed. Where she for the sleep for the bed?
Make she show the room.
Why she not do video? Because that time when we come carry this thing come and I said this room, now she did do video. Why she not come do video? Why she not do video? As he tell they do video for this one. She denied this bed, and at this bed, she sleep till they break. How many days when you spend for Nigeria, and at this bed, now she dey sleep. She denied her. She said no be her bed. For una to know say the house where this bed dey, no be she get the house.
Get the house.
No be everybody know say no be she get the house now. Everybody know.
He said not be her bed. They say even though the bed na bed. He said whether you know how much. The bed.
Even the house where the bed dey, no be she get house. She no get house. They don't know which no get. They don't know which for straight for Milan, man. They don't know which for straight, man.
I believe you because it's true to say that the lie where she did lie. That's how she get house for Lagos. That's how she get two. He said she get two. She get one house for Lagos. She said she get 2 hours for Benin. That time, listen, that time, maybe now, she go say, she go down, according to what she talk, maybe the house she go get for Benin, you go down this time now. We never see anyone.
Okay. You get when she go Nigeria now, she will still go find one show. She can show.
You know why? Maybe I should go. La person go just tell her say, Mama, help me go there, go video. My ask me, you send her. She not go send her person send her. Make she go video that.
You go send her how?
You go send her how? She not go send her person send
her.
They're
not even green send her again. They're not saying when she go send her, something will happen to the house. You know, say the hotel when she go the talk that time for a walk. The hotel cash fire.
The hotel when she go sit down, they do live video.
The hotel after she come up for that, the hotel called cash fire.
Oh yeah.
Now who done now?
She said, see the walking me. You see, he said that my power, now power. He said that power. See, he just said she know the talk now. Walking me for never open now. Nobody they build house for walking. See, she started to do something back home. See, walking me call open. See, they told they build up and everything. He said, see this hotel. See this hotel. He said, now, do something back home. Now they build this hotel. She did it.
Hotel where they don't build. One couple where he go show one day when she go come on for her, she go meet the woman for the couple. They don't build that house. And the then which never start to they do live video. Another house when she go show 130 time, they don't build that house. And the then which never enter live video. Now where at the then which day, now I find house no day. If you enter inside walking in, yeah. Find house day inside walking in.
No, he said no day. She said they claim now since when she started to say do something back home, like they started to do something back to her working. She they take the glory.
Which God before he not to say if he not reach palace, they not they break cola.
They take the glory. Let me put the house say person will get money. You don't know if you want to take money to do.
She say, I will give you. They give bid. If you not reach, I will give you. They not they break cola. Yeah. Later, now so content. If you do on top of machine, the machine they carry they go. Voo. Now so content they shake wave hand. Go come on face.
The machine go they say.
Now only na bio. Now only na the na wish because I'm a bug baby. The palace they walking. That you know see the way when she did the lie. You know when they swear for and finish, when they tell her say anything when that they do for this place, if you go to use and take they do live video again, make it swear. As he can't swear finish, she not say I go here. You know what she do? She can't run come out. She can't tell say anybody when they enter I will kill you now. Before you go enter palace, they go use and swear. Now say you lie. You lie. Now because they use you swear now because your mouth to the rope.
You know say that time now when they talk about our palace, you know say he can't talk waiting, you can't talk something. They can't include his name. He John Orioba. They can't include our name John at that time. I don't know who go swear for myself. When they go carry paper go and walking. No, see that they bad for that.
Now many people carry paper come. You know say one mama went there in Canada. She can't say the mama send me make I call the Sagana say the mama pay me. Now mama go bring the do paper for her.
Paper for her.
Bush lion can go bring come for her. One guy when she carry her picture come out, that one can go bring for her. Another person can still go bring for her. As they come they see say na palace. If they come they find na palace, now the fed they reach.
Yes.
Now the king come to say he no be king pikin. Now they sign a madam, whether they call them all those palace guard. Now they send palace guard say may they go show them they then na which house. You see huh?
Everything else they take they chop aduro.
Huh? I don't know why she they chop aduro. The time when she tell me say when she come you know say when she talk say she dey tell for Facebook say she be king pikin. She know say me I know say she no be king pikin. She know they talk everything when she dey talk for social media. She know they use and come where I dey. She know say I be Ishan. She know say I must know.
Yeah.
You know? Now it got that time, you know say Nigeria fair open yansh that time.
Exactly.
Nigeria fair open yansh. He can't say I can't tell us say why you dey talk say you be king pikin? You be king pikin? He say as I say he come for a he be king pikin nah. Now to say no, you not be king pikin.
King pikin.
Yeah, because all those things when you they do, all those things. Yeah, all those things when you they do now. If you they follow people, they do saga now. They will go all you where it go pay you pass.
Exactly.
And at the end of the day, the people when those people go they insult, they not relate to you. But like I said, those people they insult them because of you.
Because of a bike, you know how many times they don't throw mad go that walking in palace.
That's why for now. As I swear for now, you see some people.
Times?
You know say when they talk of they saga people that time Now they'll call the saga. They'll call the talk say.
Exactly. No, because of because the time when he with Monica, they do saga. Not say now Monica swear cause that palace now.
Ona you get guy.
Yeah.
Man, it Monica say he be king picking now. Monica no say na duro na use and take it.
You don't know that Monica go carry the picture, come put blood, you know, everything. They take the chop and duro.
As he go useless rich because no be a walking me. Now he can't let people they insult a walking me. Yes.
That woman too fake, Sha. She too fake.
God, too fake now. She too fake. She and the fake life when she did now fake lie. Now she did lie. She did lie fake lie.
Yeah.
She too like fake lie. No. She too they talk lie. Wait till she no be. She go say
she go say that
be.
Be.
Eh? You don't ever see say somebody go come for video. You will come to mention the place when I for come for Ishan. No. Lie. I be Ishan. Now they talk. I be Ishan. I don't think carry my community come and they talk my community.
Whether you come from wherever, Ishan. You know? Edo State. Whether you come from Jakusa, as far as Edo.
You know what? When she want carry walking with that time. You want start to the fool herself. What they say, I know they talk about the place when I for come. I can never talk about the place when I for come. I can never use my village. I can never mention my village. I can never mention this. Why I want to mention my village? What it concern me concern village. I want to carry my village come. Me I go to use until they do saga be waiting. I be Ishan. The people don't say I be Ishan. I be Ishan. Anywhere when I say for Ishan land, na Ishan land be.
Me tell the rub mud.
You know what happened one certain time? That Ishan got that time when no super get guy that time.
Yeah.
Because they tell people say, you know what he got because that boy do what he do that time.
Yeah.
She got the tell say the boy throw mouth go give a guy. Say me I not top put. Blah 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 blah. You know see her? She got the tell say the guy na Igwebe na the guy be. The guy no be Uromi. The guy go live for Uromi. She not even know say that guy na partly Uromi, partly Igwebe. You see her? She don't know. You know what they worry her, She will come talk. Make you come explain yourself to her. I tell her say, your sis, now they match and it does that my foot.
So that she go see where enter your
the story where she don't know about you will come use your mouth talk her tomorrow.
You take your mouth talk her. Tomorrow, then she go say talk before anything.
They say now she come they use until they do video. Now one person come tell me say, see now that our brother now she take they do video so that Ishan brother. Now go tell her say he say they mention my name. Now tell that one say she want cause traffic. Why me not top put? Why me not top put my sister? What you want top put? Woman they top put for mamata. What even concern me? No be that one be the video when I they do.
What you concern with Austin? Now the boy name Austin.
No, the second one.
Okay, the second one.
Now doctor say no, they say you can do live video. You know what he be won't do He be one call. I see they mention my name. Benin people will come to insult me say na my brother. You know say that guy na my papa brother.
No, she be want attach you to the boy.
The boy na my pale brother.
She want attach you to her.
Yeah. He call it say the boy that Igwebe na the boy be. He come out for instead of he come out for Igwebe. He got the bring public come for Uromi. I don't know say the boy na partly Igwebe, partly Uromi.
You don't know.
You know see
If to say you don't use your common sense that time now, you go check the two of you. That time you are going to take the insult. they take the insult.
Now
that one she won't do.
Anybody when you do, anybody when he drag himself, go anywhere when he want drag himself to, he go take the punishment by himself. Talk.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know,
if I should drag myself to where I want drag myself to, now me go take the punishment by myself.
Exactly.
Even your family go talk say, you don't see where you want sit down put. Now where they no put chair for you, now there you go they sit down put. He come they draw, they say, 90% got say, now my name he come they mention for them now say, leave on. She want cause problem.
Exactly.
She gotta say, she want the boy want bring a problem come roll me. He want bring problem come roll me. He leave the gwebe. He got a bring problem come roll me. Now to say, 90% got say, sian. Now got say, no say, na partly igwebe, partly roll me. Now the boy. And now roll me now that for bond the boy. Now roll me now the boy for grow. Now ma not be boy. Now ma Now man, that man 7, you don't know 50 something years, that man there be never pass.
Why she not carry her head?
You know what to do that woman, that woman, she's
she not be Isha. Why she not put her head?
You know what they worry, she they always, if it they problem, she go like to drag another person, put for the problem when she gets.
That be the thing now. That the maker they call it, they don't bet it, they don't
Now what they always they do, when problem come, she go try to drag me. Now say, see this one illiterate. You not go school now. If I want fight, if I want do something, I always they fight for my rights. I'm not going to fight for something when go bring problem come for me. No.
Yes, fight your fights.
She go come make content can they rob me. I say, see this one, you be mumu. You will not go school. Yeah? We're not come on primary 4, you not finish. Primary 4. Now you want come you go fit drag me. Now me go put you for hook, throw you for river. I'll use you take key fish. I will put you for hook.
Now then I concern.
Also I'll come be.
It just says it get dog brain.
Hey, you want to use my brain? You don't say my brain. Yeah, he went before. Every little thing, you go like to the come. If the British Amatakan, she don't the top put. If the British are, she don't the top put. I won't kill you when you the top put. They not carry to do sweat for you for I won't kill you.
Not everything person go the top put. Not everything.
They won't kill you when he carry come. They no swear they no swear for him for a walk. They say I won't kill you again. You know they talk again now.
No. You know they talk.
You know they talk again. What do I really just? What do I really just? You say get here to the big time.
They say you want to talk to this topic is for is for working people.
Messenger.
I say this or they no one. I say this woman, this you see this the days of Yazana. Why can't you talk general? Talk general. All the live video they talk general talk.
It just it be one make itself relevant. You know what? Now you don't understand that. She be one talk for if you be one put itself say she did on top for a walking me. And they don't know say now that she did. She don't know anything for a walking me. If you see a walking women, if you see a walking women when they get money, and then I wish go do house head for where they dey. If you see some people are for Lagos, some people are for Warri. Some people are for Bini. Is it not for that they say why you pay where we do what? You ask her which one she do go village.
Lights.
Because they call they pay NEPA bill for her. They call they donate. Hey, not when
they donate money for light. I said
every month.
Every guarantee they put for month they tell.
Who man? Me you wanya. Atamu pa vibe wo kiri. Me you wanya. Anu pa de wo kiri o. Like de wo kiri. Because they, you know waiting, she just want to be relevant. They'll say she did relevant for a working community. Now waiting she be want to be that.
Not true you talk. Not true you just talk.
She live with banker. She live with banker. She can't go and work in come the Zarogo. Instead of her to go the Zarogo for banker.
No, I not go.
He not even know how to go. Papa has a girl. He don't care.
Because you don't say as they pursue they come up for there now. The time they don't ban them, they don't catch them. You know what figure.
They say that this is dead that time. It be like say, how many years they say dead that time? Oh, whether not 5 years. They say it's small. It's small when they carry and come.
You know the road.
No road. I say it's small when they drive. Mama drive.
No.
Two can't remain for the children when mama born for a walking. They can't drive. They come when mama can't reach a walking. Can't they born again?
Yeah. No, she not go no road to that place again.
You know no road now. She too small now.
No, because she not go even go there again.
You know no. Now let her mama go no. But her mama go
the
no.
mama want to know. That was self just sick as alone.
If mama don't old, and I just said that one go no road again.
That one not the road because that one not the see where again.
Ew.
That don't old not the see where again.
But the day when they then I wish go die now. Now back they won't go bury her now, Abi.
Yes, now. Like back they'll carry and go.
Oh. And they had that one content, okay, they'll know if Papa has for a banker. But they drive them now. Maybe they will bury and put for inside bush for a walking because they drive them.
And they drive them and they go buy one bush for a walking with bury and put for them.
Ew.
Now, because they you know say if they cast person for village, they don't cast him. You know go ever feel go back to that same place again.
A walking person, you no go fit carry a walking con media, con they talk, lie.
Come the disgrace.
Lie. Because he not from a walking, I make a want to do that this thing.
It should not be from there, and she not be your motto. So she don't know what they really happen for there. And the man say she grow for there. She not be a motto where know the rule and the regulation.
You not see that time. If you want go peace, you go Egwai. If you want go shit, you go Egwai. Since all these days, she not they go there again.
Let me people come to the believer and say she to relate to Egwai.
She be too doing sha. And she not get limit. You know say if you use something to do. You know say if you use something to do showcase finish, not be your own. You go just come up for that area again. You go bring another one come. You go come say dirty, go expire until there goes no lie.
No. It did there. If to say they not pursue her for there, that's why for feed they make man. Let me cannot they make man again. Say
not they make man again.
You know they make man compared to that time when she take out the brag. Any small
you know say that festival when they do. You know say they see they do the festival. One person come in one set it and say, mama, say that festival when they didn't wish they go that time. Whether they know they do the festival again. Now say they see they do the festival. They didn't wish not they go again. I said they didn't wish not they go again because they didn't wish they put her for live video that time.
Yeah, then she they put her, yeah.
And I do my koto say, now say yes. I said they see they do the festival. I said they don't ban they didn't wish. Make it not they do that thing. For...
Yeah, because they bring insult to the palace. She they bring insult. She they bring disgrace.
You don't see that musician, musician when Destiny carry con. They say use a romancé they do. You can't say romancé with Gloria.
Okay.
That woman, she know they hide that jealousness. Why?
No. She know they hide though. Maybe because that one, maybe the teacher that one will come sleep her house. Maybe that one, because that one not go sleep her house now. He go just give her woto.
You know what? And then I wish no. And then I wish no. Say these people that they wash her stupidity. She no know. Say those people they wash her stupidity.
Okay. Yes, now they see her. Everything what they do for me, that
they see her.
They see her now. Maybe because that one not come sleep. Maybe that one promise her say he go come my house. Maybe that one not come again.
You know, say they say if a guy one way go his house. Now got say he go his house. Now the person got say if they use and take do pepper there. Now say musician when you go see from Nigeria, now person go see take the pepper you. Now what did they be? They be selling now Dion. They be selling Dion. I be that they be Michael Johnson.
Ask me. Ask me.
They be Michael Johnson.
Who want pepper?
I don't know.
Like for example, I say I could become my house now. I will because I want to take a pepper
person.
Who I want to take a pepper? Who don't know I could be? Who never see her?
Ask me, oh.
Wait, this I want to take a pepper person. She must be stupid.
Me, I don't know how to read person. As you see me so, I don't know how to read person. Don't they do? No, they do.
No, I service.
Me, I don't know how to do them. If I see you, I even go
you good pass. Let the eye service. Now you good pass. Be yourself. Be yourself.
That time the woman said she go put bead for here. She go put bead for here. You go say, he be king, pikin. He be king, pikin.
Princess. Princess.
She said she be princess. She dey lie, sha.
Listen, I'm a princess.
Yeah, with that in mind, I'm a princess. Now say they do. I'm a princess. It too go come bend.
I'm a princess. Oh yeah, go making. Oh yeah, go.
This woman she dey lie. Oh, even the day when on board do video, they say yes. Maybe it is Okpeka can't bring the papa house, come out for a walking. Who be papa for a walking?
That's what that one talk now.
They walking with call. Many walking with people call. Where papa dey? Where papa build house put for a walking? They don't see Okpeka papa house.
Because
walking with.
Really say now walking with that she people be. If papa forget ask for a walking, even though if papa not build, at least if papa go and reach papa.
His grandfather house.
He go and reach his grandfather. Now that one they call a motor.
Okay.
A motor. Anybody will not get grandpapa as will not get a girl. You know say that person not come from that community. Everybody get a girl.
They start saying they won't kill you. Now say you say you go explain tire.
You go explain tire with that and you know we get answer.
She will go start for primary 1. Come they explain now.
If you primary 1 too big, you will go start from KG1.
I don't know why she they explain herself. We don't already they talk and say she no be a walking. Why you go they talk and say you no be a walking? We go bring waiting will tell no say we be a walking. Bring am come. My evidence now that they talk, so we know they use my talk again.
Yeah? Go bring evidence.
Yeah.
Mama, Chuchu no say you be a walking. Go bring am. Even though your papa has just scattered, go bring that. Bring am. We say
Obo, na walking na obo for grow. Obo can they do photographer for there.
Yeah.
Obo no edede na witch papa house for a walking. Maybe there where Obo they do live video. A walking boys call in. Say where papa house there for a walking. They don't know for a walking. That time when Obo do video, I don't already know say walking.
Let's for come.
I don't know say no be able. She no come for a walking. Now I walk people when grow for a walking. Now they ask and say where papa has there for a walking you. You go come, they talk to me. Almost test and make him. Who don't later? You don't see my picture for Igwebe. My picture is stand my picture. You don't see him. If you don't say, lovely, go come show us your papa. Even your commenters go say, lovely papa, you don't see him that day.
You don't even need to ask whether this one a lovely papa. You don't even need to ask. You don't go even ask. Where are all evidence? Would they still wait for evidence?
You got that time where this person called Saga me, all of us say, now wow. See how this now person they disabled person like this.
No, take you. No. You with your papa, they don't even get asked whether like everything. When I see the picture when they bring up, I said,
how you doing? Good evening.
I said, Mom, picking they resemble papa like this. Your papa permit you for grant. Why? Make we see our own.
I just travel, come out. I also mean I come out, I travel. I'll still travel again. And I do my holiday.
Now so this time, like if you pass this time, they don't again. Once the children don't start school now to come up for us now, Wahala.
Adalava come do video, do this say, say bed lovely, this say boy papa sha.
No, it is about your thing.
He don't see your brick oh. He they can't talk to me.
You don't get evidence.
He don't get evidence. No evidence. He go explain tire. I not be abiewo kiwi. You go explain tire.
You go explain tire.
If you do talk now, people will say, go bring your papa picture come. Your papa must get picture, man.
Which person papa not get picture?
Ask me, oh.
Which person? If papa not get picture.
If your papa, he will get picture. Okay, your papa now will give me. Okay, your mama not there. Your papa has a girl. Make you talk like that. Okay, may you go. If your mama not the enter, your papa house. It means say you won't be. You picking not see the enter. Your papa house. May you go bring your papa house. Show your papa. May you see him.
He not get evidence. When I leave her.
He not get.
She don't get evidence.
You don't see them. Don't they make go. You wait no. When no one let John have they they don't get to be. I wake in there, but no get rana here no.
Nothing like a gilbe.
You know it go bear.
They don't get a gilbe. Because then they can anybody will not get a gilbe. Any community where person not get a gilbe. No say that person not come from there.
Yes.
You don't say that person not come from there.
Even if say that person even if papa must we can build restaurant house, even if say weak me they must get land.
Let me tell you something. Even though your papa not feel good, at least you go reach your papa house. Now don't be gilbe. Now don't they call it gilbe.
If person they talk, you will see they talk. Okay, all your life video presenter and when they don't carry their see that they went me with Odolofe they quarrel that time. That one papa house come out. My pale house come out. You now you go bring your pale house. No. A lot of live video presenter when their pale house come out, they know where those people are coming from.
This Austria. If papa has not come out.
If
papa has come out.
From Victor, papa has come out.
That was still come out. Whether any I take the Betty come out.
Many Esther talk show, mama has come out.
The bigger.
Who again? Rita. Oh, come out. Monica, he come out. Lolo, papa house, he come out. Who be another live video presenter again when they bring papa house come out again? The other day they bring this person you come out. A party.
They bring the papa house.
Which one again?
All of them. They don't bring all their ass come out.
You dey Facebook for there, you dey tika for ground, they shout ow.
Let the never bring come out. Only her own. And they never breathe.
Now what?
Let the never breathe. And she go call the leave that fake life. She go say na
Eh.
fake life.
You got the same message they give person. How you will be foreigner? You call the same message, call they give original.
Omoto.
Eh?
Omoto.
Omoto. The son of the soil.
The son of the soil.
I don't know where you for they come.
You will come see Casalo.
Eh.
Refrigerator.
I will not give a pee. We don't give a Nigeria pee. I won't give me pee. They don't give. I won't give me pee. Hey, these people, it can make person laugh. Now it make her when she want bring a guy down. You no look back. As I did now, I don't go talk rich, Chris rich. Me I go make sure guy, my guy.
Lie.
I never even mention my community. Now I want to just go.
When you go there, next what you call say you go. Now they say now where pikin no fit play go, that be that one.
Yeah.
Where pikin no fit play go, that be that one.
That's actually that I say. I know they mention where for come. And they mention where for come. Now the person got to say you want make a come. They mention where for come. The way when
exactly.
She said they mention where for come.
Me carry live video go there. Me say people go there. Now that one should they find.
May I call the talk to my community. May I call the talk to my palace.
Okay,
if I can't reach house tomorrow, if they do something for palace, I know I can't go.
No, you know go fit. They're not go agree.
They're not go agree. Oh.
They don't agree. Lie. They don't agree.
I tell this woman say, my sister. I tell this woman say,
I see there now. She don't disgrace herself. They don't bow down for palace. So she want make other persons still follow her like that.
And you know say waiting he do so, for Ishan, now it dey abomination to bring juju come ask person about for palace. You go bring juju paper come,
palace.
E no good at all. Even if say na igwai for Bini, now you go. They go send people go the person house. They not go let the paper land for that igwai. Like
exactly.
When they carry out they come, when they find a come, now they quick because juju paper from another place, no they land igwai.
Yeah.
Now that one I take pursue one. As I come be now, person will come bring juju paper come for me. My place where I for come, we know they accept juju.
That paper.
Yeah, if you come with juju, they know they accept her. You not fit drop her. You not go drop her for our place. Yeah. Now what you go do for working me be that? He am not yes. Ogioba. And she go see they call people Ogioba and Ogioba.
You guys say you call in palace when you say you be princess. Now so you be princess, you go disgrace yourself for there. So now the people they come to give you for a palace. That will not be so. That will not be so.
Shame and disgrace.
What a big insult now.
When they do, you know what? If they do something for palace, that time when she they go walking. If they do something for palace for a guy, you know say the king and younger sisters, you know say the day. All of the day there, you know go carry camera say now them be this so.
No.
You know carry camera because they claim but the real princess,
She always focus on the king.
She'll carry camera, she'll go show king. She'll carry camera. She can lie. It can't one lie when he lie. She can't say the last wife when the king marry. Now she walk the wife give king. This woman, she too talk lie.
Lie for lie.
She said the last wife when the king marry. The last wife when the king marry say. Now true she, now the king take get the wife. They too talk lie. She too lie.
The dog Betty. Let me call the dog Betty now. Let me call the days of Azarian.
She just come out, she just no. If person agele wege nya, if person not be citizen of place, yeah, you go know how to put your leg for ground.
You don't go know the rule and the regulation.
If instead of to use one leg stand, you can't use two legs stand. Now you come for dama. Come for.
He use 2 legs, test am. Auto kila do of for.
When I just dey talk am, yo. I won't give no, not be I won't give you off it back.
You don't say because she don't call sick as I know now for a walk now. She don't call shop at Duro for a walk in. No, she not claim a walk in because she don't shop at Duro for there.
What did she go do now? You know, say she don't already. They tell Facebook say she's not from a walking. The day when she go a walking now, she go go beg one old man, make it carry video enter her house. You know, say when you laugh at with something, she will they find another thing when she go take the book.
When she go take cover up. You go the how she go take cover up. The dog bait.
You know, I tell the day I wish me. I go make sure say, I go destroy you. I tell anywhere where you enter, you go they see shame and disgrace. You know what? I happy for the one for a walking in, and that one happy. But when it happen, I can't they smile.
Shame and disgrace.
She don't go buy better. She not go buy better. She's a shame and disgrace.
Lying.
Very use everybody when follow and make friend though. When she follow make friend, she don't saga all of them.
This woman, and all of them fight for her that time. That time, all of them fight that time. If they talk to this other, you thought to go come out, you thought to fight for her. You thought to not make anybody insult her. This woman,
Mama Joy,
that one says, if anybody they talk to her, that's what they will come out. He go say, "Day, who again? Which woman again?" That's what she do. Those 2 people, before you know it, that's both. You can't follow those 2 one. Ayere. Osage brother, sister. You follow that one. Before you know it, that's those. You don't bring that one on social media.
Can you imagine?
You don't bring that one on social media. Before you know it, you carry that woman will be Canada.
You carry now that one first to the
that one is first start.
That one swear for her finish. She can't go after 2 years.
Carry the paper, go give her.
That one can't see swear for her for Usain.
That one carry the paper, go give her. That's both.
The big go see day mama. You know say na Mama Joy husband. Don't say that time she go use Mama Joy husband to do Godfather.
Yeah. Godfather, yeah. Because of the Babati way they did, the first person won't stand for it.
You know why the man can't run? One to do paper fair con. Now the fair beg the man, that man can go inside. Second one can come. Third one can come. Fourth one can come. Fifth can come. Like the man say, no.
Let the man base.
You know the person where you go meet today, that chief. Whether they call that chief. Chief, that one chief like that. When you call the saga the chief that time.
I don't remember.
Oh, I don't forget the chief name. You call the saga the chief that time. This person even
I don't remember the name. I don't remember.
For her. The same woman, that the same woman when he follow go do marriage. After he never reach how many months, Okpaka come dey sagara, he come dey pull life for the woman head.
This is where he follow go to marriage.
Because he say Adesuwa get money, she come to say Adesuwa. He go say the money when Adesuwa take do marriage, say now shall go work if go work.
You know, sir. You don't see a man. And at the same London, I see with Adesuwa there for there.
Very useless woman.
As they do the marriage come back, not be constant to the saga Adesuwa. Next time, it come the saga. I said, this woman, everybody, don't saga everybody finish.
Na jealousy they worry on. Na jealousy. Na jealousy. People they jealousy.
Get friend for Facebook again. I don't believe she get friend for Facebook again.
I don't forget the chief name. The chief, he dey saga that chief that time. The time when they come pack juju paper for right, they find who go help her. Then he can't go. Now one person can't say the chief go fee help her. Now the chief, now they can't tell the chief. Now the chief can't say her. No be that woman when they insult her for live video. They can't say yes. Now the chief can't say make she first go apologize. If he apologize for her finish before he go start to help her. What is the man name again? Don't forget that man name. Don't forget his name. He can't apologize to the man for Facebook. Oh, she apologized, because that man want help her go do all the juju paper. Can't reach today. They not help her. His mama still there with the bigo for a walking.
He's still there with her.
Yeah, the bigo there their house now.
Oh wow, Okpeka.
If you want carry that, he wish Wahala come Facebook. You know, see the way when they take beat him for a body.
Yeah, that time, it can't have the way they share. I can't see her. He can't carry dress, can't dress this man, do without dress. People they do olokun. He can't dress, carry a zuzu. They can't do. I said, so don't reach like this now. So where this woman wants start to the job? I said, Kukuma, this one even fit her. Let's just Kukuma go Nigeria. Go the job for Nigeria.
Not if fit her, na craze, na if fit her craze. Na madness. You know why they draw those things? You know they draw those things, Papa, like this thing, hip hop. You don't say people up now, you go raise this thing like this. Before you go know, you go carry on, go down. You just want to declare something where it be say, it not be at all. Now she declaim. Now what it not be, now she declaim.
I just say, I said, so, it's not carry this, did you call Facebook again? I said, this woman.
My sister, you don't ever see who be juju. Today you go carry her, tomorrow you go drop her. Another day, you know why he can't carry the juju? Not say once at a time, can't they use and take the laugh and say, she not they use this year again, where they call her? Ezuzu. Now she go carry the Ezuzu for where she throw away and put. Ezuzu where she not use for over 2 years.
English skirt and white. I say, that's what she they kill. That's what she they give person. Medicine. What they tell they born? And then when I tell me go give it you're temple.
Why she not take her bone? The medicine when she said she they pack all that time, she not drink for inside. She not they fuck.
He said if person will want bone, she make the contact her. She get medicine where they tell the bone. Anybody will want bone, she gets. Anybody with diabetes
because diabetes they worry ama.
I say all gbogbo. I say but you ready wait we not fear pure. Make we not say to say your medicine they catch they up well. Eh?
That time when he go Nigeria, that time when he never start to dey fight me, he can't do medicine come. He say do medicine can't give person. He say the person no carry. She can't call me.
Okay.
She can't say the person no gree carry. Now God don say as you carry, you call the person, you no come. You know say the person no want carry. Me not say me now. Me I dey do something for laugh. Now God don say you yourself, you go cuckoo the drink na. You still young. You still young. When you born John Pikin.
Me boy.
And then now we say 30 something years. Now period take stop. He say he don't take when period don't stop. Now say He said he never reach 50 years when period stop. Oh. He said don't take. He say he know if he born again. He say don't take. He say no they see period again. Yeah. He say no they see period again. Oh. Everything just spoil for your body. Now I say, you go drink am now. You go drink am. You see young. You don't know say that time. At that time, she never even reach. That time say she don't reach 50. Let's say she did. He said now 30 something years. Now period stop.
Thank God say you see that person will go give that medicine to. Maybe that one said don't see her with inside eye say that medicine now no go area. Maybe that make that one not collect that medicine from her.
You bring medicine come.
Fine. You don't use his eye to see her. Say that medicine. No try am. Maybe that's something else for happen to the person.
Now he say he don't tell. He say now 30 something years a day when he enter this thing. Monopause. She no lie. Maybe now she no lie.
30 something.
Say now 30 something. Now she talking now. He say don't tell when. He say don't tell when don't enter monopause.
Now lie. Opeka dey lie.
He no lie. You know say most of those women when small pikin. Now small pikin ain't take born. You know say fit damage am. Fit damage am. Yeah. Fit damage am. Now age of 12, 13 years. Now she take born. If it damage yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know, say most of children when they're born for that age, some can't lost their urine this thing. You know, say they affect them for urine this thing.
Yeah, they're blended.
Yeah, they affect them. So some days, it's something see they touch their this. Yeah, he say he don't take. Say he don't take. You know they see period they get. Say he don't take. He don't lie. I will say Okpaka they see period. Okpaka for born John Pisilia.
Yeah, I know. No. Wetin me I dey talk? I know say she know dey see am. Wetin me I dey try to talk? Say that 30 something years when she talk. Let me I dey talk. Don't be say I say.
No, you go be you go be. You dey be Some people dey be enter monopause
Yeah. You got a woman. The day when I go salon. This one it be like say the woman now all those fake Oyibo. I got my friend salon. I think she's 42 or 43. She says she not to see her period again.
You not see her? No,
yeah,
so.
Either 42 or 43. I couldn't imagine. I said, what? You know what she tell me? I said, what? I said, it's too early. She can't tell me, say, because she started to see her period very early. Like Kosa. He said, the age of 10, she don't see her period.
You see?
The tico make me come the think. I said, true. Any picky way start to see mazes at an early age, then they quick stop.
They quick stop, yeah.
They go quick. Not be saying that old age they make person they stop.
So women, not be old age. So women, they 50 years, 53 years. You say me, what's again? 55,
Yeah. Now depend how you take start.
Your body, yeah.
Stop. Yeah.
And also the day now we show you carry the medicine when carry come when they say now for pregnancy. Nobody for long. As he carry come now, so it become the now to say they no one carry leave one man.
Thank God though.
He when he say he want bring Igele for me. Igele. Me, I reject Igele. Igele, when I want put for head, I reject her. Now, person when you want to drink medicine for belly, I want carry.
Exactly. You don't talk. Such way when it belly. Maybe you drink and finish now. The way you go to see yourself, you know go be.
Now so now. He get one like video presenter. He come tell that one say go bring Igele for her. That one say he never see Igele. Say he can't drink see the day na wish. The day na wish can't turn to python. Can't dey in bed. Now say that one tell me say he say wait till you talk about Igele. He say he see carry Igele reach where you dey. I say yes. He say he say I will say she talk her own now. Maybe people will say na lie. He say as he talk say as they talk for live video say I no lie. Say the day na we say he go bring Igele for her. He say he come to say he no need am. He said the way when I tell reject Igele, she still reject Igele like that. Yeah. Me with the woman, that woman Sagara at that time. Susu. Susan, Susu. That one, you see, carry Igele, tell that one say we'll bring Igele for her. That one say no. Before you know, that one can't see him for dream.
For dream. Hey, you see? Hey, now wow. They don't bet. They answer.
Very useless woman. He don't disgrace himself finish. You know, yeah, they say I be they call her mama before. Now say
Look at mama.
you know what you want person call her which day? He say auntie the day now wish. Now till they call her. Auntie the day now wish.
Auntie mama. That name
If it wow that
auntie mama na wish. Auntie the day
now wish.
That person just look out. That name a perfect name.
I tell the person say whether I know they call her mama again. Oh, Becca, live lovely. You dey craze. Now, Becca, you dey tattoo. You know where? Gaga punish you. Where then today?
Where they come day? Where all of them come day today?
I don't even understand say who done no.
All of the way they go to write for a wall. That is a wall. Say no man lovely, they craze, lovely. Now where all of them today now?
All of them.
Well,
yeah, the sister na lose less woman again now. Any no go
where they today? All of them don't bash.
He get
they
one.
Don't bash,
he get one. He come. He say, "Mama," he say, "I beg." He say he want clear caution. So now say waiting. He say he dey na which platform that time. Oh, now say hey, waiting because say make I do say hey, I beg, forgive me. He say the day na which. He say na which. He say na very useless woman.
Okay.
He say no the follow again. He say if he call you, go put one for ear for ground. You go they listen to that ground. Go they ask you question. They ask you, hey, where your husband not. Hey, he say go to say so waiting. Sister Lovely they talk. She know they lie. He say waiting at they talk. He say everything she go they now she they do. That one say he come block her. All of them block her, all of them. They block her. She can't lie. No, that woman can't lie.
She reached to block because she not be better person.
If they say picture, give that woman.
Go carry 2 people head. You go take her knock, buzzer. Go carry 3 people head. Go take her knock, buzzer. You know, go ever see where they make peace with where they see your biker for where they make peace.
Biker they make peace.
You know, go ever see her for there. Now where 2 people they quarrel, you go come enter inside. You go come dead the underground.
You know what he do? If they find information now, they never give her the information. You go they say you see this phone, your information, He dey here. Will not be me. They turn another person. You say your information dey here. You know how much I pay before they give me this information. Now lie, nothing dey.
You don't get anything. You don't get anything.
Nothing.
You don't get.
That woman. I tell her say make she go carry a pikin come. Now every the assignment when I give her since 4 years now. She no even shame. Say make she carry her pikin come. She for still shame. Anything when you tell last person for this social media, the person go bring her come out. You bring that time you dey use document. They laugh me. I no get document. I bring document come out. You laugh me say I no get house. I carry house come out. 2 things now. You only one daughter when I say only one something when I say make you do now for 4 years plus now. You never even
you don't fit.
You have. You know, build. By land, the other day they say they cry for street, they go. Now one woman come say, I wish stone you carry for ground, they break a dead and wish head. Say she they shout, they go for streets. 3,000 when I get, I don't go use and take do I will go use her. I don't go use and take do I. You will go use and take go buy land. The woman say she just they fool herself, they shout, they go. See where she dey sleep for a walk in.
Your 3,000, your man won't go buy us with 3,000.
People when they say the day I wish they go house, I want go house like the day I wish. All of them now they reject. May God forbid. May God not let me go house the way when the day I wish they go house.
But they pursue there. To go Nigeria, to go the tie cloth for neck. Don't go to Nigeria.
Too bad.
You will go Nigeria, tie cloth for neck. Come carry ass. Oh, take the clear grass. I don't have in Nigeria where people won't go.
I don't understand. I don't understand at all.
Like that one, I've been to go village, go to eat rabbit.
You don't ever see and say the village they cook. You don't ever see and say they cook.
For where? For where? You see, you don't ever see me or Pika. Pika don't ever do live video when she eat. You don't ever see the food or Pika.
See person when you go Nigeria, say an nylon bag, you take the drink water. Nylon bag.
Pure water. Pure water.
Yeah.
You don't even see both put that for cup, make drink. Pure water.
Now brought this from Nigeria now.
Even when you drink that pure water, why you not turn her for cup?
And the water no cold.
Why you not turn it? Which kind of Nigeria person won't go?
Fridge not dey the house. And the house where she dey go the fridge, she know the fit still buy something. She'll see carry something for cargo. Say the place where you go they sleep if you reach Nigeria, may still dash the something. No, she will use another person house say they do showcase.
Which Chicago? Let the tell that they give up December line. You will start to the bed for bag of rice. Make una support. Make una support.
Now one woman be they give her this thing again. I say they give her rice that time. Stella. What did they call her? Say maybe we picky. You got all down the one that they call her. Now Stella did they give her? Stella go say don't cry again. Stella no say na maduma. Now she dey come.
Sarah they give her. Mama also again they give her.
He go say, Mommy, don't cry again. Nothing will make me to hate you. I will love you until I will die.
Exactly. No, because I sister at the tell her that time. I'm going to tell her.
Stella. Destiny child that they call her be Stella. Don't forget what that they call her.
Well, Stella.
You know, that one go say, one person say, Stella, they call her, say, hey, Mommy, don't cry again. No cry. Clean your eye. Don't cry again. Nothing will stop me not to love you. I will love you forever and ever.
Yeah.
Today, okay? See, many people when live where she did.
Now that they give her rice.
She now that they give her rice that time. She just come dey ground. She dey ground.
Imagine, you were saying you won't go share rice. She's to get her for men. Why you not give your money to buy rice, may you go share?
He get 70,000 when he want to share rice.
As you get the money, as you dey work, money till night, wey be say you be workaholic. You go from 6 o'clock in the morning, start. Reach in the evening, as you go start, go work. You go start, come back.
One woman, the time when they do saga, one woman come to say he come call her one Isha woman. He come to say, he come tell her, say, you know, good, make you know they do saga. They what he supposed to do, make sure they advise people. He come tell the woman, say, why she they do saga, so that she go see money, make they feed widows. Now the woman come say, because of widows, now they disgrace herself. And so the woman say, take cut her off.
No, they give her for contract. She the Ministry of Women Affairs.
Ask me, no. You know what happen now? When he go Nigeria this year, now nobody give her rice. You know what he share Gary? From rice to Gary. If he go next time, he go share.
You know you prove yourself, say, without people not give you rice, you fish your rice.
Okay. She no upgrade though. Over 4 years, she no upgrade. Now nylon bag, now she dey put am. Nylon bag. See am.
Now wash that.
If you put the rice for nylon bag, now so it dey be. Now like this. Nylon bag. Over 4 years, you know if you buy that they see 1 kg rice.
1 kg rice.
Yes.
If you buy the rice, they go pack them for you for where you for buy them.
Buy am, yeah. They go pack them like this. Over 4 years now when they go Nigeria now like this. Now this thing like this. You know what? You need 2 cups.
Could you believe me? Say all the money they give her for that rice, she know they use all the money.
How much they give her? 20,000.
She know they use the money. So we'll give her 40,000. So we'll give her 50,000. So we'll buy to give her money for 2 bags, 3 bags.
Now so the caller said they will give her. So not they give her more.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Then the caller will say, I will not do saga again. I will give you 2 bag money. He go say, hey, they're not they give her. Unless Stella they give her well. Stella that time.
Stella,
Stella they give her.
Yeah.
May you ask the day now which now say where Stella.
I'm not sure saying we Stella see they play again.
Where ask say where Morgan everywhere still where all those people. Destiny, Destiny, is it Destiny child that be waiting that they call on? Ask and say with them. None of them.
I'm not sure all those ones see they follow up.
No, they follow again. Anybody when you see say they will talk back now, you know say now that person knew go.
New person. That person never know bike.
You never know. The day when they will know. All of them when they pass follow at that time, they don't leave on now. You know say now set by set.
You never know say like they don't bet. You never know say like they don't. When all these people don't enter finish, they go say like that they go bass. They go run leave them.
Oh, they don't so. They don't leave them.
They go run leave them.
One say he block him. He say he block him for messenger. Okay. He can't block him for WhatsApp.
Everywhere. She block him for everywhere.
That one say Okpaka will call her. That one say she get children to carry go school, to do everything. He say, Mama, you really talk and say, any woman when get children, you no need to use a deden and wish they do friend. He say, now true talk. He say, a deden and wish no say you get picky, a deden and wish will like make you hold on for line, make that they talk.
You see?
Now not that you get say, not be waiting they talk every day for Facebook. He say everything when you talk about that woman, he say only batana, quarrel, problem. You go tell some say, make they come my platform, make they come the right comment for my platform.
Come the right that comment. Come the comment.
Now so see now. Life.
No. I cannot be. I didn't bet it won't be at all.
Not be you don't you know what Eraga he just is there. Eraga. Now Eraga just is there. She's not talking. All the online video presenter know say Edede na wish na useless woman. All the online video presenter.
Everybody, because
we don't know.
Look, you don't fight all of them. You don't fight all of them.
You know, see the video where I'll go find the video where Ritayemi do. Ritayemi say, Edede na wish when they tell person make person, that they talk say, that they say make person go marry. This person when they do video they say make somebody go marry. He say Edede na wish they the person. Edede na wish they follow the person. He said Edede na wish never go husband house one day. I don't know cloth when she take do that live video. I'll go find the live video. Rita do the video. I laughed that day. I say, so all of them.
She won't go correct people who don't go to.
He say, make the person who get the platform, may first tell Edede na wish say make Edede na wish go marry. He say Edede na wish when they platform, when they come platform don't marry. For how many years?
Yes. That's not true. That is just the facts.
I don't know what she Edede na wish, she not get children reach TV. She not get rich to they'll say, oh, she's strong go take care of those children. Okay, now let one begin now. She still live for Nigeria. Waiting for many years for Europe. Waiting use the life they do.
Billy go say, Omaka,
What is that? What is
that's what they say. You don't build mud house. You don't build wood house.
No. You don't build mud house. You don't
build mud. Oh, you don't build wood. You like the wood.
Oh, why ain't
Make they even say, okay, now, since you don't feel build mud, oh, make you still build wood. You know,
that time they tell them, say, Mona come ask of the love wait for money to be. And I say, you wait, they say do something back home. Or other person wait, now you first they talk say, now you first start to. Or all of it when last start. Or all of it don't do you when Grace can't go show one. May you can't show your own.
Exactly. She don't get proof. Let me put the thing say she go explain tire.
No evidence.
No evidence, no proof. She don't get proof.
May she go buy. They say you want go buy land. Go buy. She no agree buy.
Yeah. See, love will not buy. As we not build, you call the get street. Why am I surprised? You call the get street. Even people will get out. They don't even put their name for street. No talk of you.
She got it. She feeds the soundboard put for top of her head on like a street. Now I have to for hang the soundboard.
Not be grand, not true, sir. Not be grand.
Where you want hang girl? You see how he dey head. He dey say he pray. Now dream as she be. She dey dream.
That's something else. Should be something else.
Okpeka street. For the whole Ewokiri, one person for Ewokiri say Okpeka street no there Ewokiri.
For Lagos.
See us. The person for Ewokiri say Okpeka street no there Ewokiri.
Okay.
He said the woman don't know what they tell. He said the woman they crazy. He said no go away for straight.
He get me Okpeka. If to say Okpeka to get Okpeka street, if I don't bring out the pepper people,
the person say Okpeka the woman they call her so. He say he get one woman. He say but no Okpeka that they call her. I can't say no Okpeka that they call her for Facebook. He say, he say the woman if he call her say na trans service they use. I say, hey.
Now, bye. Okada.
He said na trans service they use. He said the woman go dirty. Now say,
Okada. Okada she dey help.
Hey, the person don't talk. He say no Okada. They say you see her for ground. You know what say now? Nobody even they look herself. Nobody. He say if he call, nobody they think say the woman they come for. He say he not the woman ma. He say na trans service so. He say na trans service. The person say no. He say na every day they call her. I say yes.
You just jump on top of Okada. Okada just take a.
Hey, the person don't describe and say get one bag where they carry. He say no. He say na trans service. You know say all those trans service when they area. They know themselves now.
Yes, no.
He say no. He say if you see the woman for ground, then you know go talk say whether na abroad before they come. I say you don't say. He say don't see her for ground.
Okay.
I say Barbara if he come Nigeria again. He say he say no worry. He say he go trace am reach his house.
Okay.
And he can't pay me say I no quick tell the person. I no quick tell her. He say you go video and bring and come give me. Say if you see am for go say dirty. The boy say if you see back of his leg. Say if you see back of that woman leg, the woman no be like person when they come for abroad.
He don't cut.
Say if you see leg, he say no. He say if you see am for ground. I show him this. He say for here. He change. He say if you see him for picture, you know we know him. I can't show him picture. I show him picture. I can't show him the one way for makeup. He said that one you know him. You know I can't send some picture go give him. He can't get one. He say he said na this woman man. He say she know the woman. He say she know him.
Okay.
He say he know her well. He said the woman said not trans service. He said nice so this all those small village. Now they rise trans service they go where they do all these native doctor villages. Now they go. Don't say they see some villages when the native doctor.
I know now they go find native doctor.
He say I was sir. See the guy knows you. The day when you go and walk in again, you go see yourself. He said I was sir. He said no. He said not the woman. He said the woman a useless woman.
You see?
He said the woman will talk. He said not so talk if they talk.
They're talking.
He said not so trans service if they enter. He said that no, I say it's dirty for ground. He said back and a dirty woman.
What do they around that talk? If me I see they talk about me they talk my own. If Chuchu get asked for Lagos.
Hey, wait first.